Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant anti-cheat error that appears after a Windows 11 update. First, check Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. Sometimes Windows updates disable or hide these settings, and Valorant needs them to run. Restart your PC and enter BIOS, or UEFI. This is usually done by pressing keys like Delete, F2, or F10 during startup. Once inside, go to the Security tab. Find Secure Boot and make sure it is enabled. Then look for TPM 2.0. It may also appear as Intel PTT or AMD FTTM. Make sure it is turned on. Save changes and exit. Next, turn off memory integrity. Windows updates can enable this feature, which may conflict with Valorant. Open Windows Security from the Start menu. Go to Device Security, then click on Core Isolation Details. Turn off memory integrity. Restart your computer after this. If the issue is still there, reinstall Riot Vanguard. Click on the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click the Vanguard icon and select Exit Vanguard. Then go to Settings, Open Apps, and find Installed Apps. Search for Riot Vanguard and uninstall it. Restart your PC. After restarting, open the Riot client. It will automatically reinstall Vanguard. Once done, launch Valorant and check if the error is fixed. Thanks for watching.